Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I was just watching a Mmeli's dial session. In his dial session, he mentioned that man, Lenzaiza is not okay, but I think he was just respecting, kind of like controlling his words because he knows that people are watching. But I think he realized that no man, Thandeka, there's something wrong with Thandeka. Thandeka, he use logical, he use emotional. So eventually he tried to convince big sister that no, he's more verbal, Thandeka. But I think he realized that nah man, I made a mistake here. I was supposed to move to Didi. Because if you remember the first week, I think Didi tried, can I have a space to talk to you? Like, unfortunately, you won't get that opportunity and what. Thandeka, remember, without Mmeli, Thandeka would be evicted in the house, maybe disqualified. But Thandeka is like Ashley Olgo, They have that, I don't know, man. They have that emotional problem thing, I'm sorry to say that, I'm also Thandeka, I follow Thandeka, but sometimes I'm like, shut up, don't talk, Thandeka, don't talk, just keep quiet, do your thing. But who am I to say that? Because Thandeka is there to play his game, be yourself and what. We all don't know Thandeka, where he come from, we don't know. And we don't see people who grew up with Thandeka mentioning, things on social media. So we don't have any clue who Thandeka is, So really it seems like, he's tired of talking, man. Because now Thandeka is gonna be more disrespectful. That's what I was expecting after Mmeli won HOH, because then it's gonna be more aggressive. Then she will expect the man to protect her while she knows she's the one who provoked others, So I think now, after this misunderstanding between Thandeka and Ilano, you saw that when he reprimanded them, both of them, but Thandeka apparently, when they went upstairs, she was like, yeah, why me? Why you didn't reprimand her? And all that. So I just can't wait to tomorrow. Then they play the game, then they finish. Because Thandeka, when they given a task, Thandeka put more work. I can tell that. But she's that kind of a person who wants to be more, to be more, listen to me guys, take my advice. Thandeka, she's that person, you can tell. So it is what it is, guys. Let's hope they're going to fix their misunderstanding. They're gonna so yeah, man.